Hello friends, today I decided to create a JavaScript tutorial and this is my first video on YouTube. Today's lecture is about JavaScript story, features and limitations. Let's start with JavaScript story. The JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brandon Eck at Netscape. The primary goal of this language was to add interactivity and dynamism to web pages. At that time, web pages were mostly static and JavaScript made it possible for web pages to respond to user events such as clicks or mouse movements. Initially, the language was introduced as a LiveScript, but due to the popularity of Java, at that time its name was changed to JavaScript to leverage the Java's popularity. However, JavaScript and Java are two completely different languages with no direct relationships. Over time, JavaScript evolved into a powerful and independent language, and its standards were defined under the name ECMAScript. Today, JavaScript is not used in browsers, but also on servers using Node.js and even on various devices such as mobile and IoTs. The second part of this lecture is JavaScript features and why is JavaScript unique. Because of four features, JavaScript is unique. The first one is full integration with HTML and CSS. JavaScript is integrated with HTML and CSS, allowing developers to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It can modify HTML elements, update CSS styles, and respond to user events. The second is simplicity in doing simple things. JavaScript is straightforward and intuitive for performing simple tasks, such as changing the text of an element or display a message to the user. This feature makes it easy for beginners to learn and use. The third one is supported by all major browsers. JavaScript is supported by all modern browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. This means that the JavaScript code can run in most web environments without requiring special modifications. The fourth one, enabled by default in all browsers. JavaScript is enabled by default in all browsers, and no special configuration is required or needed to run. This feature allows developers to use it effortlessly. The third part of this lecture is JavaScript limitations. Limitation of JavaScript in the browsers. JavaScript in browsers has certain limitations for security reasons. Some of these limitations are: first, no direct access to the operating system. JavaScript in browsers cannot directly access operating system files or execute other programs. This limitation is in place to prevent harm to user systems. The second one is required user permission for hardware access. Modern browsers allow access to hardware, such as a microphone, cameras, and geolocation, but these access are only possible with user consent. The third one, same origin policy. JavaScript in the browser follow the same origin policies. This policy prevents a web page from accessing data from another pages unless both pages are from the same source, same domain, same port, and same protocols. To solve this issue techniques, we must use the course cross-origin resource sharing. But if we use JavaScript outside the browsers, JavaScript is not limited to browsers. With the advent of Node.js, it has become a powerful tool for server-side development and environment. Outside the browser, such as servers, the security limitation of browsers do not apply, and JavaScript can fully interact with the operating systems and files. And finally, conclusion. JavaScript plays a key role in web development as a programming language with features like integration with HTML, CSS, simplicity, browser supports, and being enabled by default in browsers. It has become one of the most popular languages in the web world. Despite security limitations in browsers, JavaScript remains a powerful tool for creating dynamic and interactive user experience. And this was the end of this lecture. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons, friends. Have a good day.